Can you go ahead and turn on the headlights, taillights? So it's kind of tough to tell because it's daylight. Can you turn them off? So my taillights are working. Can you step on the brakes? But only the driver's side brake light is working. So we're going to replace the brake light on the passenger side. Okay, to get access to the bulbs, we really only need one tool, and we need to open the rear hatch of the car and remove 2 Phillips screws. Pretty short screws. You can see it already coming loose there. So now that I've removed those screws, we can actually remove this whole assembly. That bottom bulb in the harness actually controls taillight and brake light, so that's one we're going to replace. If you can see in here, there's a tab on this that you need to push in on, and then it allows you to twist this counterclockwise, and out it comes. The bulb on these guys just pulls straight out with a little bit of, just a tiny bit of effort. This is our old light. We're going to swap in a new one. The part number on this is 3157. So I'm putting the new bulb in. I like to handle it with like a tissue or a piece of towel so I don't get any oils on the new bulb. I just want to gently push that all the way in snug. And then can you turn on the light switch for the taillights? Yep, now can you turn that off and step on the brakes? Yep, we got brighter brake light. So we're good. We'll test it before we put it all back together. Thanks, hon. Alright, so then I'm just going to put this back into the assembly and twist it back around about a quarter turn until this locks back in place. We're done. I just gotta put the 2 screws back in and we got a fix. Usually I want to do these in a pair, so I'll replace the taillight brake light on the other side because it's probably bound to go bad at some time soon. So hope that helps. Look for links in the description to kind of simple instructions and the part number. Alright, so I'm just going to go one last quick test while everything's closed back up. Working?
Mm-hmm.
Is it working?
Yep.
What about now?
Yep.